In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add washi tape and placeholder stickies in FigJam. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own board. Go ahead and open your FigJam file, or create a new one if you just want to practice. Once your board is open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the main toolbar. This is the strip of icons you use to add things like shapes, drawings, and sticky notes. Among those icons, you're looking for the one that looks like a small pen or marker. This isn't for regular text or shapes. It opens up a set of creative tools that includes washi tape and placeholders. Move your cursor down to that pen-like icon and click it once. When you do, a small menu should appear, usually just above the toolbar or close to where you clicked. In that menu, you'll see a few different options for visual decorations and drawing tools. What you want to find is the washi tape icon. This may look like a tiny strip of tape or a small roll, depending on your FigJam version, but it will clearly be labeled or visually resemble tape. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the different icons until you see the tooltip that mentions washi tape. Once you've found it, click the washi tape icon. As soon as you do, your cursor will change to indicate that you're now in washi tape mode. Now you can move your cursor onto the board and click and drag to lay down a strip of tape. Release the mouse when you're happy with the length. If you drag at an angle, you'll get a diagonal strip, which can be handy for visually grouping items or adding emphasis. After placing your washi tape, you can usually adjust it just like other objects in FigJam. Click it once to select it, then use the handles to resize, rotate, or reposition it. This is perfect for creating sections, underlining headings, or visually attaching placeholder stickies and other elements so your board looks organized and intentional. Placeholder stickies are often used together with washi tape to indicate where content should go later. Even though the exact placeholder action isn't shown in this short guide, you can use the same toolbar area to add regular stickies and then arrange them under or near your washi tape, treating them as placeholders for ideas you'll fill in during a workshop or brainstorming session. That's all you need to start decorating and structuring your FigJam board with washi tape and placeholder stickies.